In a remarkable fusion of engineering, art, and history, engineer Stephen Seegmiller embarked on an ambitious project.
Usually the biggest mess up is that I've run out of too much material to work with.
His goal? To create a stunning parametric art piece made from the wood of the quadricentennial Bur Oak, a 400-year-old tree that once stood as one of North Texas' oldest and most iconic natural landmarks.
I started out kind of creating a basic program that simulates the ripples of a wave.
The mighty Bur Oak fell during a powerful storm in 2023. It had been a symbol of endurance and history. The tree witnessed the rise of cities, the growth of the state, and countless changes to the Texas landscape. Recognizing its deep historical significance, the city of Plano asked artists to preserve its legacy in a way that bridges the past and the future.
My computer program, it is able to compute all the interactions between any different waves that I put on the same art piece. And so then it's able to give me back that design as a large grid of different points. And so I worked out a system for transferring those points to the piece of wood that I'm working on.
After months of computing, sawing, sanding, and precision cutting, Seegmiller's vision took shape.
I'm really excited to be able to work on something that has such a history in Plano and will continue to be appreciated, hopefully by someone in the city of Plano for a long time coming.
Seegmiller says his creation is a testament to how the Bur Oak transcended its own lifetime and will now have a second life thanks to the hard work and talents of woodworkers like him.